through the whole store trying to find plastic food.
Oh.
But they had wooden ones, but it was like $15 for some
Yeah.
food. We'll open it. Pull this. Pull it.
Oh, dishes are glass, aren't they?
I think they're plastic. Because we looked.
Oh.
Because I was like, I don't want to get her glass.
Yeah, because I was going to get her some last month, but they were all ceramic.
Yeah, I was like, I don't want to get her.
I hope they plastic.
It's stuff on both sides?
No.
Oh.
She's just trying to pull it. Look. Look, there's the basket.
Oh, a baby doll. Oh, open, Ken, open.
Help? Need help?
Help me.
Pull it.
Pull the paper down. Yeah. Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Yeah.
Good job. What you got?
Oh.
Papa.
What you got?
Uh-oh. You already opened it.
That is the basket just right for you, Cameron. We're going to turn the fan off. Don't worry, get the light on. Unless I'm doing something wrong. You gotta
Wow,
change
you
that.
got it
Good.
faster than Mommy. Look. Show Daddy. Say, look, Dad.
Look, Dad.
What you got?
Papa.
Say, pots and pans.
Pots and pans.
You gonna cook something up?
Up.
Say, yeah. Show
I'm going to take
Mommy.
off my clothes. I was going to go in. What you got?
Alarm. Alarm plate.
And plates. You got plates too. You got cook. What you got cook?
I open it.
I can't open it.
No, this I think might be ceramic because they just ate it up.
Aw.
The ones I was going to get her was ceramic. And I thought, no, because Kim, she get upset and throw stuff. So I said, I'll wait till. Oh, what is that?
Plate.
It's food.
A spoon.
You gonna cook something?
That's the saddest looking bunny in the world.
Yeah, can Bunny have hugs?
So cute. He is
Can your
big.
Bunny Rabbit have hugs?
Oh man, now that
Aw.
was a perfect picture. By the time
And she's gonna feed him.
I got it. Cool.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, you gonna cook
You gonna
something?
cook?
Those are plastic, right? Oh, that's good at least.
Wow. Is that a nice tea kettle? And a skillet? So this is nice.
Teacups.
Teacups.
Teacups are this.
We might have to put those up from her.
Get her the yellow one.
They're so pretty. Oh, when I was a little girl, the girl that people moved next door to us.
Here, cook an egg.
And put it in the pan.
I want it scrambled, please.
Oh man, she wanted to put the top on there. Oh, Mom could open up their M&Ms in there and put just a couple of M&Ms in there.
You want some M&Ms? We're gonna make some fried dessert.
So watch. And ooh, I got some more.
Here, you can put these in the skillet.
Wow, you're cooking.
Look, there you go.
1, 2.
Good
Now
job.
cook them up.
Put the top on there.
You know, steam them.
You can put the top on it. Here's one. Look. See?
I'm gonna do like Grandma. I'm gonna use any of them, as long as they work. Wow, that looks. Oh, that smells good. I'm hungry. I ready to eat.
Oh boy, is it finished? Is it ready?
I ready to eat. I'm hungry.
Oh, man.
We ready.
It's ready?
It's time to eat.
It's time to eat.
Sit.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look at the camera.
Happy Easter.
Look at Daddy and say, thank you, Happy Easter. Turn around. Say, thank you, Daddy. Happy Easter. Happy Easter.
Cammy, look at the light. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.